everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will clean the boots. I will show you the new products that I bought from Kazar Ochnik and we will try just bring the shine. These boots I've got so dirty and I have to just bring the shine, bring the leather just to make them like brand new, because I love to keep my boots as new as I can, just in the really good condition, and I really love them. Today my outfit it is with the leather, and as you can see this beautiful blouse. I've got also the leather trousers and I've got the Givenchy boots, which are so comfy and I really like them. The leather on the Givenchy boots it is really good, so we don't have to touch them. You know that I touch the Kazar boots in the beige color and they are like a little bit dirty now. I don't know what's happened, but the color changed and I will show you them. So I don't know what's happened actually with these boots, but color it is different. Maybe the beige will come back. So what it is, I've got a few. I've got the cloth. I've got the gloves that because my hands they are horrible today, and I've got the products from Kazar which will be very useful. I hope this is a gel. I don't know. I bought something really nice, a leather stretch. First the gloves which I made to my shop, and this is the glove that you can find Dua Lipa worn, really similar, and I wish to have the same. So this is gonna be in my future shop, gloves like this. A burgundy color, will be so many colors, but I think this is a prototype, so I think that more colors will be available and the lining will be very useful, because without the lining it is so hard to just wear them, because inside the leather it is like the other side of the leather which is suede, as you can see. It is very hard for me wear them at this point. This is, I think, my hand it is so skinny here. I hope that with the lining this is gonna be better. So that's why in my shop I would like to give you something what it's gonna be a perfection, and I hope that this will be perfection. So these gloves probably I will send back to factory just to line them up. I've got also parcel from Ochnik, which we have the products for the boots and leather too, so we will try this. These products I used in the past, the AutoGlym. This I'm using also in my car. It is really nice cleaner, deep cleans and fresh leather, and this one it is okay, but there is no shine on it when we just put it on, so we don't need actually shine in the car. The leather in the car it is different leather, so we don't need a shine like on my boots. You see they are a little bit shiny and I love it, but they are not. So what we need, we have to open I think this parcel first. Who needs a scissors if you have heels? Let me show you first what I've got inside. I forgot I've ordered these gloves. Okay. Just so we've got boxes. You know, I've got just like 100 boxes in the front of me. Delicate cream. So this, because all products from Kazar I've got like transparent. There is no color on them. So there is a balm that will be black. So I hope it's gonna be okay. And we've got another balm. This balm is gonna be with the sponge, and this balm is gonna be just probably, oh, whoa, can you see it? Before we put any balm on, we need a water and a damp cloth. So this will be helpful to just remove any dirt from it. And I damaged the heel, unfortunately. Really painful, and these boots I wanna just clean too. Okay, so we've got the gloves, which are just a very beautiful brown color. Just, I have one brown, do you remember, with the suede on the, what do you think? Nice brown gloves. I don't remember the price, because price here it is definitely bigger than I found online. So I think I will keep them. They're okay, will be fine with my furs. So I've got like 2 pairs, and I love to wear dark brown gloves also with the black or burgundy coat. So they will be just so good, so beautiful. And this is very nice leather, and they are really well made. Once again, I would like to show you my products, my baby. This is gloves that they will be available, but with the lining in my shop in this year. So please wait for the big announcement with my shop links and everything. Just I'm trying to make everything right, so it's not that easy. But first I have to just make the prototype perfect, and then we can just continue the production. So the production is not China, this is not any cheap production, just believe me. I really focus on the quality, on the great leather. Leather, as you can see, it is just very nice and smooth. This is the real leather, and I think that the quality will be just perfect. Last time I've got so many comments about the sizes. I would like to make at the beginning size small, size medium and size large. So size small will be for the hands like mine. They're not super skinny or nothing like this, but they will be just okay. Size medium, it all depends to your body size. If you are like size extra small or small, then size small of the gloves will be good. If you are size like UK 10, 12 or size just medium, then gloves in the medium size will be okay. Sometimes I know that people have bigger hands, and it all depends if you measure your hand around here. But believe me, sometimes I've got size 19, sometimes I've got size 18, and sometimes I've got size even 17. And leather on the hand will always stretch, so we don't have to worry about this. So hand look really, really good. And I really like it. The fingers are fine, long enough. You can just move your hand without any problem. So if you have a problem that your boots or gloves are a little bit too small, you have to just use the leather stretch and it's gonna be better. So you have to just spray this. This is a leather stretch, and just it is the best, just go outside and spray it. And spray inside, then wait a little. They will be like a little bit damp and or wet, and then you have to put your hand inside and walk in this, just stay in this glove for a few hours. The leather will stretch. So it is really, really a great thing that will help you with any boots, gloves, or maybe any other leather things that you have. Maybe you have leggings, trousers, or any. I don't think so that this is gonna be good for leather jackets, but you can try. But I'm pretty sure that if boots, for example, are a little bit like too small, you can just use this, and the boots will stretch a little. Just you have to spray it and wear it. Or you have to push something inside. The other products that I've got, this is the Care and Shine, which we can use at the end, because this is like kind of the shiner. Just this will shine your boots. Nutrition provides perfect protection. And this is the cleaning foam. I haven't used this, never. So we can use the shampoo, the leather cleaner, or we can use this, which will be the foam. And then we have kind of gel. This is the no color, so probably could be good. So let's start cleaning the boots. Boots, they are very dirty, and I'm not sure with what I'm supposed to start. We have to clean them a little. Of course, I would like to make it under the shower, but because I wanna just make it here, most important it is just to remove all dirt, and you don't have to put any balm on it. After time the leather will dry, and just you have to take care a little bit of the old boots you're wearing. So messy. Honestly, it is like, I know that maybe some of you will tell me about better products. I know there's Saphir. They've got really nice products with the bee wax and things like that. So actually all these products have something, like the wax. Wax always protects the leather. But problem is that sometimes the wax will make your leather not shiny but very matte. And I don't really like this effect. I like the boots very shiny. Oh! Whoa! I'm not sure if this is a good idea, you know. You can be sure that they will be very, very clean. This shine of the boot, it is so far really nice, and maybe not enough, but really good. I want to try this balm, this black balm. My floor will be all messy, all messy. This is not a good idea. No, it is horrible smell. Can you see any difference between the balm and no balm? I am disappointed. Maybe we have to put like a little bit more. As soon this will dry, everything will disappear. So we have to try this shiner. I just take that much on it, and we can try. Just, do you know, I am blind. I can't see any difference with the black and black. But much better it is just buy a black color than transparent, because from my experience, I know that the transparent color will always, after it will dry, will always just left. Oh, the smell, it is horrible. Will always left a white marks. So doesn't matter if something it is like, you know, maybe transparent it is okay for the beige colors, or for the very light, almost white boots maybe. It is nice. This works. And on the other boots I will just try put the shiner on, nothing else. At the end I can use the shiner from Kazar, and this can be really, really good. I really like it. Very nice. You can always just shine your heel too. Make the sole, everything. Boots looks like new. I love it. Just when I start cleaning any boots, I would like to just clean them all, but it is not easy thing. They will be very nice and shiny. Maybe I will just try push it or put some glue on them. I have no idea what to do. So it is quite of the satisfaction when you just clean your boots and they look like new again. So I'm still not happy with the finish of these boots. The shine, it isn't enough. And the sole became white. What I did wrong? We can use this product, the shiner. I think that it is a visible difference without the shiner and with the shiner. I shouldn't breathe that. And I should open the window. So this is the final look of my boots. I think that shine definitely come back and I really like it. So now they have to dry a little. You can wipe them off or you can just leave it. So I have to put something inside. So this is it. I use, I think, all products. Now I have to put the shiner on the Stuart Weitzman and the other boots, but I have to make it outside. Just I don't want to breathe that and just stay in this room. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and see you soon in the next video. Bye!